Yo, I try to tell him. It's my year.
Hey. Yeah. Let's see how you doing the pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.
Yeah, what up, what up, what up? He's with Aiden. No, he's with Aiden. Let's get it. Alright, let's go, baby. All praises to the Most High. How about Shema Bashiach? It's a beautiful day outside. But there is a caveat. Yo, it is so windy. It's not even fun, bro. I don't even know where we're gonna go because it's so windy that I don't know if we're actually gonna be able to really enjoy the ride, honestly, to tell you the truth. Look at this. It's super dusty. All this was like cleaned up and everything, man. And then what happened? Wind fest. It was good. Oh boy. One thing I forgot. Boy, it is windy. Come on again. On again. This is a quart of gooses. A quart of juices. An idiot, and I didn't didn't strap my microphone in my helmet. Yeah, I don't even know if I want to go on the freeway. Yeah, I turned off the I forgot. How are you going twice? It's crazy. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about today, baby. We just riding. I just know I wanted to get out and ride, man. And I was gonna go last night, but I'm the only one here right now. As far as wow. Straight up ran the fucking light. Oh wow. That was crazy. Let's see how windy it is. Super windy. Insane. Super hella windy. Crazy night, my phone's so windy. It's bad. Yo, it is. I am fighting this shit, bro. I'm fighting the wind. Crazy. Don't understand. Yo. Woo! That one hit me. Shit. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, that's yeah, you're trying to like go straight and it's pushing you sideways. Like, that's crazy. Not to mention, it is so windy. It's like fighting through all the cracks in my helmet. It's like trying to knock off. It's bad. Like, even that right there. My eyes are just like watering. Like, that's how bad it is. So what we gonna do? We're gonna take our ass back to the house, bro. Be a city only ride day, bro. We ride inside the city because the freaking wind too crazy. Golly, man, it is destroying my helmet right now. This is crazy. Yeah, I think this is a city-only day, bro. I wouldn't attempt to do any runs on the highway right now. Not with the wind this crazy. you're gonna wreck. Yeah, you're gonna end up in a wall or a car. Yep, I already knew what was gonna happen, but I was like, I'm gonna go out anyway. I don't know what the deal is. It's crazy today. Yeah, it's just too windy, bros. In the zone, coming home now. Yeah, that is so weird, man. Young boy shit, they don't know. Say I'm hopeless, but we focus in the zone. Coming. What y'all doing? Going out or what? Saying we hopeless when we focus. Bro, going, damn, 40 miles an hour, that shit was pushing me. Yeah, buddy. It's just too windy out there, bro. It's just too windy.